Hi guys. Today we'll learn about the hierarchical inheritance and hybrid inheritance. This class is in the continuation of our previous class in which we have already discussed the single inheritance, the multiple inheritance and multi-level inheritance. Today we'll learn about the hierarchical inheritance and the hybrid inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance, a, a class can have multiple children. Like class A has two child classes, class B and class C. And again, class B has two child classes, class D and class E. So this is example of hierarchical inheritance that a class can have two or more child classes. So in the hierarchical inheritance, let's say if we create an object of class B, so the object of class B can access all the attributes available in class B, as well as the object of class B can also access all the attributes specified in its parent class, that is class A. So object of B can also access the attributes of class A. The object of class C can also access the attributes available in class C, as well as the object of class C can also access all the attributes in its parent class, class A. But the object of class C cannot access the attributes of class B. Why? Because there is no direct connection. And for the hybrid inheritance is actually the mixture of all other inheritances. So this is example of hybrid inheritance in which a class A has two child classes, class B and class C. So this is example of hierarchical inheritance. And for class D, if we look at the class D has two parent classes, class B and class C. These are the parent classes of class D. So over here, this is example of multiple inheritance. So now we are going to code these hybrid inheritance and hierarchical inheritance. First of all, we'll see the hierarchical inheritance. For that we will create a class, let's say class keyword, and we are going to create a class A. In the body of class A, we will specify a method named as show A. For this method we'll specify self as a parameter, and in the body of this show A method we are going to print double quotes message A. Now class A is defined. Now we are going to copy this class A. Now we'll define another class named as class B. We are going to paste it. Another class named as class B. We'll specify that class B has parent as class A. So B is the child of A class, and the method in the body of class B is named as show B, and will print the message as B. Again, we'll create another class named as class C. We paste again this control V. Now we are going to create another class named as class C, and for this class we are creating the connection with A. So A is also the parent of class C. So class A has two child classes, class B and class C. And in the body of uh, for this class, we'll specify the method show C, and this method will print a message C. Now we have created three classes. Class A is the independent class, and class B has the parent class A, and the finally class C has parent class A. So class A has two child classes, class B and class C. Now we are going to create an object of class C. Let's say C is the object of class C, and for this we'll specify C name of parent class. C is the object of class C. With the help of object C, we can invoke the method available in class C that is named as show C. So this method can be easily called. When we will run it, the message C is printed. Again, with the help of object C, we can also call a method from parent class that is named as show A, because C is the object of class C and the parent of C is specified as A. So show A method, which is available in the class A, can easily be invoked with the help of object C. Now we can call the method available in parent class, but we cannot access the attributes or any method of class B. Why? Because there is no direct connection of class C and class B. If we try to invoke a method, let's say show B, with the help of object C, there will be an error. If we try it, you see there is an error, attribute error. It says C object has no attribute show B. So we cannot call this method of class B. Again, if we are going to create of object, if we are going to create object B of class, let's say B. Now object B is created with its class B, and if we want to invoke the methods of class B that is named as uh, show B, we can easily call the method of object method show B, which is available in class B. And with the help of object B, we can also access the method available in its parent class, class A. And we have invoked the show A method, which is specified in parent class, class A. When we'll run it, the message B and message A will be printed. So this is an example of hierarchical inheritance. Now for the hybrid inheritance, we can say that hybrid inheritance is the mixture of two different inheritance. So up to this class C, we have created hierarchical inheritance because class A has two children, class B and class C, And now we are going to create another class. Let's say the name of class is class D, and we specified that class D has two parents. Let's say the first parent is B and the other parent is C, and in the body of this class we are going to define a method. Let's say name of method is show D, and in the parameter list we will provide the self, and in the body of show D method we are going to print the message uh, D. So now we are going to create an object of class D, that's class name D. Now with the object of class D, let's say with the object of D we can call the method available in class D, that is named as show D. You can call this, message D will be printed, and with the object of uh, class D we can also invoke the method from parent classes. Let's say show D, can invoke the method in class D, and with the object D we can also invoke the method show C. C is another parent of class D, and we'll print it, it will print the C. And finally we can also invoke the method in grandparent class A, and the name of method is show A. This show A method is available in class A, and class A is actually grandparent of class D, and this D is object of class D. So when we will run it we can also invoke this method and it will print A. So students, we have also learned the uh, hybrid inheritance. This is example of hybrid inheritance because class A has two child classes, class B and class C. These are two child classes of class A. Up to this is hierarchical inheritance, and for class D we can say that class D has two parent classes, class B and class C. So this is example of multiple inheritance, and this is mixture of hierarchical inheritance and multiple inheritance, hence it is hybrid inheritance. So that's all for today students. In coming classes we'll learn some more concepts of Python programming.